Hello everyone, welcome back. Well, today we are going to look at how to earn money by just watching advertisements or clicking advertisements. Well, this is an example of me just clicking or watching an advertisement and solving a CAPTCHA and earning money. See, I earned 2 tokens or about $0.2 by just watching ad advertisements, and in 10 seconds I was able to earn that much. Now I'm just going to repeat the process again. I'm just going to click on it. I'm going to stay in this page for about 10 seconds, and after 10 seconds I would be prompted to solve an CAPTCHA and I would be able to earn money. As we can see, I completed the CAPTCHA and I was able to earn money. So if you guys also follow the same step, you will be able to earn money by simply watching or clicking on advertisements. So the website which pays me for simply watching or clicking advertisements is going to be aeonfaucet.me. Well, this website's link will be available in the description and the first comment. I'll be frank with you, the link available below is going to be my referral link. If you just make an account using my referral link, I will be earning 10% of your lifetime earnings. But do not worry, if you make an account using my referral link, then you are also going to start your account with $1 in your token balance, or you'll have 1,000 tokens in your balance. Now there are a lot of ways to earn money in this website, but if you're just going to focus on watching advertisements and earning money for a few minutes of a life, then the thing which pays us for watching advertisements and earning money is going to be this PTC. PTC stands for pay to click. As we can see, I had a few PTC advertisements and I completed every one of those. So right now I do not have any PTC ads left. Well, the number of PTC ads you have and the rewards you earn for PTC ads are going to differ based on your level. When I started out, I earned very less compared to the money which I am earning right now. As we can see, I have literally $59,138 in token balance. If you are already watching one of my previous videos, you would have known that I withdrew the money in front of your eyes and I showed you the live withdrawal proof too. So guys, just make sure to actually level up and then click on PTC advertisements. The more you level up, for example, let's simply go to this faucet. See, when I level up, I would be receiving a certain amount of bonus. So for each level up, yeah, now it's ready. For each level up and every 10 minutes once, I will be able to earn a percentage of bonus. This bonus is for each level. So if you start at level 0, you would have no bonus. If you come to level 1, you would have this much amount of bonus, and as your level goes higher, you will be able to earn a lot more. Now I'm just going to solve this CAPTCHA and I'm just going to collect my rewards. See, simply 3.24 tokens has been added to my balance, and I'll be able to claim this every 10 minutes once. So guys, this is the simple ways where we can actually click on advertisements or just solve the CAPTCHAs and earn in real time. Auto faucet is also the same kind of faucet, but you would need energy for it. In order to earn energy, the best thing what you could do is you can just simply complete short links, and for every short link you complete, you would get 5 energy. So with the 5 energy, you'll be able to use auto faucet. So guys, I hope today's video was useful to you. If it was useful to you, just go click on the thumbs up button located below this video, and do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell button near the subscribe button if you want more such videos. Well, it's me Surya Prakash from Ernest Sampio signing off. Let's again meet in the next video. Until then, bye.